Today, we're going to be installing the roof rack. This kit comes with 2 anodized roof rails. It comes with 4 end caps, 2 plastic rubber stops to prevent all your luggage from getting scratched, as well as 4 lock caps, 4 tumblers, and the tool to tighten your roof rack down to your vehicle. The best part about this kit is that these roof rails are universal, so they'll fit almost any vehicle with a roof rack on it. It has sliders, which allow for adjustable widths of different roof racks. Step 1 to installing these roof racks is to install the rubber trim provided in the kit. All you have to do is simply insert it through the side with the teeth and slide it all the way through to the end. Step 2 to installing these roof rails is to install the plastic end caps provided with the kit. These simply pop into the sides of our roof rails. Here we are mounting the roof rails. This is a very simple step. Since it is adjustable, it makes it nice and easy. As you can see here, the roof rail sits nicely underneath our mount. I'm going to go to the other side, make sure that it's also seated properly before we tighten it down. So for tightening this, we're using the provided T-handle to ensure that the latch is going to sit properly and snug up against the existing roof rail on this vehicle. For our last step when installing the roof rack, we're going to put our lock cap in place. We're going to have our tumbler with our key, insert it, and lock it in place. Before I finish installing the second roof rack, what I'm going to do is measure this out so that way I can get the proper measurement for our roof box. And just like that, we have this roof rack installed in less than 5 minutes. As you can tell, it's really strong and on there. This thing isn't going anywhere.